they start howling yet?
Winston will a little bit.
Yeah.
I haven't heard one yet. I haven't heard one. I've just heard. I have heard Cortana bark, but Daisy, she's been, you know, and as you know, like crazy.
They just love each other, huh?
What are you doing?
I'm very happy.
You want to go downstairs? I'm gonna get everybody's stool tables set up. They can get some mats for that on and get some flea sticks and more ones prevented and probably get it. Thank you. You're welcome.
So what do you think about the new porch?
I'm really excited about it, especially for our clients. Being able to pull up to the side and help us, you know, get their animals out and not be rained on, and hopefully it'll help with some of the heat in that lobby too. I think it gets a little warm in there when there's a lot of people, traffic coming in and out. But I'm really excited about it for our staff as well as our clients. I think it's going to make things a lot easier, and it looks really nice so far too.
What are you excited about the new side porch?
I'm excited about not getting rained on. There's been a couple times where it's been pouring rain and we have had to go out there with an umbrella and try to hold the dog and the umbrella and the cart and everything at the same time. But also it's going to be nice because when we get dogs groomed, we don't have to worry about their hair getting all messed up as we're taking them back to their parents. So we're really excited, and it's already looking really good. Like, it's moving along pretty quickly.
One will have to help fix a little one up and help. Huh? And I don't need any help for this one. Okay? I don't need help for this one. You could think of fartlek, but you couldn't think of intervals.
Because I don't do intervals, I do fartleks.
Okay.
Dr. Smith, that's not how you do it.
Who decides how you do it?
Everybody